to do and how to save on a 2020 Chevy Silverado. Fog lights, they don't hardly come these days on vehicles like they used to. And it was a big thing with fog lights. Back in my day, fog lights, you used to put them on yourself too. Like, it was looking stupid if I look back to it. We would take like fog lights and put them like maybe 10, 11, 12 inches apart in the front, right front of the car, truck, whatever. But this here, this is a job that if you take it back to the factory, they're gonna charge you around $500 to do it.
Jesus Christ.
The job going all in all cost me probably maybe $40. I just say that there. No, I would say 50. Just put a nice cool 50. It'll cost me $50 to do. For myself. So let me show you what I got, and let's get out here and do it. Oh yeah, because I'll tell you that when I show you what we got here. This is the before fog lights. See here? Okay, here are the tools I'm using. Y'all know I'm lazy, so. And 7mm on a little extension. Here, we'll go to the back side. Alright guys, package has a roving. Look at the knife. Let's see what we got in it. Wiring harness. Light. No instructions. Ha! Glad I got good sense. I ain't trying to say if you don't know how to do this and you ain't got good sense.
Cap.
But that's why you watching this video. LED. Nice heat sink. Got the adjuster. Vent. Alright. What's in the bag of the harness? I hope it's the type of harness that I'm searching for. If not, y'all, this gonna be a different animal. We got some wire ties in here. Look at that. Whole heap of mess of wire ties. Got the rubber band. My grandmama dog used to eat these things back in the days. Y'all can imagine what it looked like in the end. Well, this might be what I'm looking for. What I'm gonna do is unplug my headlight, plug it into one of these.
Oh my God!
I think it'll be this one. Then plug this back into the connector. Headlight one side, back into the power. This I'm not going to use. I cannot remember what this is for. That ain't going to use. I don't think I'm using. Then you got one to the fog light, one to the other light. Then you got your 3 screws that you took off your plate. straightforward from here, but we'll see when we get out there. Okay, y'all. That harness right there is the one got to come off. And showing reference, this is where we at. Passenger side. Okay, here we go again. That's with the pieces missing at the front. See if I can get this off without y'all being in my way. Okay, I took this extremely long screwdriver I have. You got to pull this red tab back. Screwdriver might be too flimsy, but I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do just in case I can't show it on camera. This red tab got to slide back. Then once it slide back, this black tab right here presses in. Then you pull the harness out. But I'm gonna have to do it off camera probably. Oh, went back. All right. Alright, it's loose now. See it? Like I said, the red tab went back, then the black clip pressed in, and I'm going to lose my screwdriver. Alright, once again, let's see if I can get you to see what I'm doing. I got a piece of the harness right here, and I'm going to plug it in. Try to with the camera here. One second, baby, do it. Okay, it's plugged in. Here it is. Now I take this other free end, plug it back into the light. I don't know if you can see it, but you get the idea of it. Alright, what I'm going to do, I need something like this. You can get anything you want. But I'm going to try to fish it up, use my light so I can see where I'm going, and pull this wire back through. Alright, my little rod is through, what you'll call a fish tape. Take a little tape here. Alright, have me see how I'm pull that through. Then I'm going to tape this to what y'all will call a fish tape.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Then I'm to pull it back from the bottom. I had to use a long pole. Other wasn't quite long enough. There it is. Just route the wires. Cross, cross, cross. To how you want.
Oh my God! Wow!
Y'all, this is my next project. I think this lights up, but the lights went out in it. And I didn't care cause nobody hardly ever drive this car. She drive it to work and back, that's it. And as I was saying about fog lights, there's no place for this car to have fog lights. They don't do them no more. Lights are so good nowadays that you don't need fog lights. But this video was pretty much, let me get out the burnt biscuit part. Alright, we go. This video was pretty much just to show you how to install these lights. Like I said, it's $500 at the dealership. But I didn't get them wired up. I had them straight wired just for show purposes when y'all saw them. But I'm gonna have to go buy a relay. I thought I had some relays, but I think I used my last relay on the train horn, I think. Yeah, I think I used the last one on the train horn. So I'm gonna go buy a relay tomorrow, and I might do a separate video on how to hook a relay up. But that wasn't what this video was about. So look for that video if you need it. Never hook them straight up. Never hook them straight up. I can actually go get a toggle switch and put an inline fuse in it and call it a day, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna get a relay and hook it to a switched accessory wire or something that only comes on when the car running, and that's gonna activate the relay and won't let them come on prematurely by themselves, all that. But check that video out if you need to, and subscribe to this channel, and subscribe to TNT Kitchen if you want some vittles to eat.